walk around.
Yeah. Yeah, that was something.
I've never been in a supermarket when the stuff comes out of the aisles. It was like, okay.
Yeah. Guys, we just had an earthquake here. So we're going to take a quick walk. We don't think that, we haven't seen any damage on buildings and stuff, but it was quite powerful. It was to the point, borderline, where I could actually not walk, trying to get out to the in the open, get out of the building.
I was at City Mall, and this stuff was falling off the shelves.
Yeah, you were actually up in
Right.
in the City Mall there, right?
Yeah, the City Mall, right.
I'm gonna spin it around this way. There you go. Now we can go on. So you were. So what happened up there?
I was at the City Mall, and then I felt a little bit of the shake, the earth moving a little bit, and I said, earthquake. And then it started really going, and then stuff started falling off the shelves. It was quite interesting.
Yeah, it was.
The girls were screaming, ah! It was like, so Hazel and I, we walked, briskly out of the building. And then, before we got out, it had already stopped. But
yeah,
it was a pretty strong jolt there.
Yeah, somebody said it was a 6 or something, but we haven't had that confirmed yet, and we don't even know where the epicenter was of it. So
all we can say is there's no power and there's no water.
Yeah, we have lost power. We have also lost. Should we walk down this way? Yeah, we lost power, and also we have absolutely no water pressure. So we figured we got to be either pump stations are down.
It's a brand new concrete. I mean, this is.
This was just done, a brand new concrete. So some of the stuff was starting to move around. I came out and I see the neighbor's house is swaying. So it was pretty powerful. At least for me, that's the first one I feel like that.
Oh, look at here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was just done. Look at here.
Yeah, I don't know if this was just done now or.
Well, I just put this on right now because.
Some damage.
Yeah, this just sunk in here right now.
Yeah.
This just sunk right here.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know if our viewers can see that, but it's cracked. This was just put in, and it's sinking in towards the center. You can see the. Stuff. Yeah, I was thinking, get the camera and see if you can get the earthquake, but it was over. It was over in about 45 seconds to 1 minute.
It was a quick jolt, but it was a jolt.
Yeah.
I've lived through a lot of earthquakes. I lived through an earthquake in Mexico City. I lived through earthquakes in California. But this was it was up there.
Right. Yeah, Mexico City has pretty powerful earthquakes.
So very powerful earthquakes. I lived through quite a few of those.
Yeah.
So I don't see any structures,
No, there's very little structure damage. You can see the ground. You can see little cracks here and there. It looks like it could be a little cracked over there. Nothing major, which is good. Should we go down this way or and come around?
I don't know that side. I've never been there.
Oh. Yeah.
Further than...
Yeah, you can walk around and come up on that side.
Yes.
So we can do that.
Okay.
Down here, if you go down here, about, I would say, 1 kilometer maybe, this road, then you have a new development in there.
Different barangay?
No, this is the main entrance, so I'm assuming it belongs to the same barangay. But they put up over 1,000 homes there now.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So I don't.
Anyway.
Huh?
Everybody seems to be out.
Yeah, everybody's out, checking on what happened.
Let's go around the neighborhood.
We can walk down this way and see. People are out. I don't know where the epicenter was. I'm good. How are you? Have a little shake. I had a little shaking, huh? Yeah. Do you know where the epicenter was? Not yet. Right. Huh? Yeah, they somebody said it was close to 6, so it depends on where you are also, obviously, but we'll see. We'll get the news when we get the power back. Yeah. I don't know if we get the power back today or tomorrow. But what's worse, it looks like we have lost water also. Huh? No water. Because there's no pressure in the water. So, all right, we'll see you. Glad you're okay. All right, so here's a big gathering. Everybody's out.
Everybody's out. Yeah.
Everybody's out, huh?
Blogging.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
It's a camera.
Yeah.
You
You're a blogger?
You see that?
You're a blogger?
Yeah.
Mm.
So we're heading down this way.
Okay.
All right.
Take your time.
See ya. Boy, this dog doesn't. That dog doesn't look too good.
Doesn't look too good at all.
Right. So everybody is out. Hi guys.
Hello everybody.
Hello. Everybody doing okay? All right. All right, guys. Everybody has a good spirit, that's for sure. That's for sure.
It's an event.
Yeah.
First things first.
Yeah, the guy down here has a little mechanic shop in here. Doing mechanic work, yeah. They say he's a really good car mechanic.
Okay. Looks like he's got a few projects torn up.
Yeah. So yeah, so all in all, not much damage, but it was quite an experience for me. I have felt like 2 or 3 since I moved here 5 years ago.
This was
But those were where you could see the towels or curtains swinging a little bit. You didn't really feel much. This one you could definitely feel. I had a hard time walking. The floor was moving while I was stepping my feet down.
This was no small earthquake.
Yeah.
It was an experience for Hazel too, because this is the first time she ever felt anything like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, she felt small earthquakes.
Yeah.
But nothing.
No. This one was pretty serious.
Yeah.
So. But there's the good thing is there's no construction damage.
Well, you gotta admit they do well. They build fairly well.
Yeah. And these houses, I mean, you can see over there. We can walk up this way if you want to, or we can walk up here too. But if you see the building down there, I don't know how you can see it, but everything is rebar, and concrete, and they have rebar inside the blocks. They have, I guess they are aware of the
Seismic, yes.
the fact that we are, what do we call it, ring of fire?
Around the ring of fire.
We are
Pacific
right.
Rim.
We are right on that. So
It actually did feel like a tectonic plate earthquake.
yeah, it was like the plates were moving, right?
Yeah, that did feel like that. Now this is an old house with a lot of debris, and I don't think anything happened recently.
Nope. That's that. We are where I have been.
Where have you been?
We've been walking.
Walking?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I lived on this street before.
Oh.
I'll show it to you when I get up here. This is Ilang Street. Yeah. In Barangay Do. So you guys get another walk around in Barangay Do today. Here was the shop. This shop here. The sari store is now closed. A really nice couple, but his wife passed away, so he closed the shop.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah. It was a sad day when she passed away. I lived. You see the red brick facade?
Yes, yes,
there?
yes.
That's where I lived.
This is a nice house here.
Yeah, this one is really nice. This is a really nice house. Now this is a nice neighborhood right here. This is also a nice house. So yeah, so I lived in this first apartment right here. Right there is my balcony that I lived in before, and it was a nice place. But after we got the pizza business, which is one block over, we decided to move over to this place because I wanted to be really close. I mean, this is close enough, but I wanted to be really close. Yeah. So. Hey guys. How are you?
Good evening.
Yeah, you have, we got a little shaking today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here you have another really nice house in the neighborhood. A lot of these neighborhoods over the last few years, they really made them nice, painted. You know, here you have 3 also. All right, guys, we have gone around the block.
Checked out everything. Seems everything's okay.
Everything
except we don't have water or electricity.
No water and no electricity. Otherwise everything else is fine. Hello, how are you? So everything else is very, very good. And for now, guys, we'll see you at the next video. Hit that subscribe button. If you like our videos, push the bell and you get the notifications.